Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another spring and summer bunting project. Today we're making this cute tulip bunting. This simple fabric garland will brighten up your spring home and garden. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com, where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable tulip templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own tulip bunting today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, batting, pinking shears, clothesline cord or jute, and the printable tulip templates. First, place a strip of tulip fabric and a strip of stem fabric together with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Place one of the tulip and stem fabric pieces with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a layer of batting. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Match up the middle seams on the front and back pieces and pin across the seam. And cut out your templates. Arrange the tulip templates on the fabric, making sure the bottom of the tulip is aligned with the fabric's middle seam, and pin in place. Place the other templates on the fabric approximately 1 inch from each other, again making sure the bottom of the tulip meets the seam. Rough cut around the templates about 1/2 inch from the paper's edge. Stitch each tulip by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Make sure your needle is in the down position when pivoting at the inner points. Follow the same steps to rough cut and sew tulips from the other pieces of fabric and batting. Use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Use extra caution when cutting the inner points. To make the hanging loops, fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges all the way across and around the strip. Cut the strip into 3-inch pieces. Fold a piece in half, making a loop. Place the raw edges of the loop on the back of the top of the tulip's middle petal. And stitch to hold the loop in place. And stitch loops to all the tulips. Place the finished tulips over the cording, spacing and arranging as desired. Tie a loop in each end of the cord for hanging. And just like that, just that fast, we have this cute tulip bunting to make you glad winter is over. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.